Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how we add repository or we add additional backup locations. Like we can add backups through network or we can add the on-prem. That means that when you go to Veeam backup, it have only the full backup location in Veeam. Its default location, as I saw in previous video, is default in dry C, okay, and name backup. So what if we change this location or we add another location? So in this video, I will teach you on how we add multiple location for our backups. Okay, so to do this, first you need to go to backup infrastructure. You have to go to backup repository, and then you click add repository. Okay, so this one it have many objects that we can use to add location, like direct attached storage. As you see, we can add the location like dry E on our on-prem, and we can also add like QNAP or NAS through network, and we can also add through the application storage and like on-prem object storage system. So in this video, I will show you the common features or common things that we need to backup. Okay, first on-prem, okay, direct attached storage. So for example, I have like here I have dry C and dry F. So I will to configure the repository in dry F. So to do this, you need to go direct attached storage, and then it have Linux window, or another one is Linux hardened repository. So I use window. Okay, here you can name any name. This one is your repository name. I can put like on-premise. Okay, on-premise backup. Okay, I put like that. Okay, then I click next. This is my on-prem. Okay, backup. Next. Okay, so here I add default. Okay, this one is our Veeam server backup, and then I choose populate. Okay, so this one it have for our on-prem, it's default in C. Now I move to dry F. Okay, click next. Okay, and then you can populate to see the capacity of dry F. Okay, and then next. Okay, and then the backup. Okay, because I install my Veeam on this server on this machine, so I leave it default. Next, apply. So this one it will be authenticate or check the drive. Okay, so it said backup successfully. Okay, and then you click next. Okay, and then it will mention backup folder in dry F name backup successfully so, and then click finish. Okay, you see now we have two repository, default in dry C here and also on-prem in dry F. So in this one I will add another repository here. Okay, I will add network. Okay, so now let me say I have another storage like QNAP or Synology or your share folder. So in this lesson, it's the same thing. I will create a share folder on another server. Okay, I will put file backup. Okay, this is the name. This one I add on my secondary domain controller PC or DC2. In fact, you also add another share folder from QNAP or NAS, so it's the same. Okay. Okay, here is my share. I can also copy here or also can. Okay. Here is my secondary domain controller. I want to add the backup to this one as well. Okay. Now I go to my Veeam server. Okay. I add repository, and then this one I will add network attached storage. You can read network attached storage refer to network share on a file server or NAS device. Okay, you can also back up here. And then this one it have two, NFF share and SMB share. So I choose SMB share. Okay, and then I will put backup store. Okay, DC2. Okay, this one it just the repository name. Okay, if I have NAS, I can put NAS backup, something like that. Okay, next. And then you choose your share folder. Okay, my share folder is here. Okay, and then you can add the name. This one, the username of your NAS user. Okay, then you can put the password. Okay, this one I put this one. Okay. Okay, so if it check fine, it will be show here. Next. Okay, and then I already populate. So populate in my NAS or my DC2, I have capacity of 157 and free is 80. I click next. Okay, so this one instant recovery cache folder, I can leave it default or I can also browse. Okay, I can also browse to drive something like that. Okay, next, new cache. Okay, apply. Okay, so now it's checking. This is I add the network because that when we add configure repository such as a want to backup and copy it into many locations, so it will be safe for you. Finish. Okay, as you can see now I have three. One is on-prem. Okay, on-prem I store in drive and I have network attached storage. Okay, store it through network drive. Okay, so now let's go if we configure the backup. Okay, we can configure the backup. I will choose file share. Okay, I will backup my file server, and then I will choose uh, backup 001. Okay, click next, and then this one I add where I want to backup. This one I already saw in the previous lesson A1. I will backup my file server name Msolved Tech. Okay, Msolved Tech finish. Okay, I left it default. Okay, this one, you see, if we choose the default, it will be stored in the IC. But if you choose on-prem, okay, it will be go here. Okay, first I will show on-prem. Okay, next, next. Okay, I left default this one. Okay, it's saving, and I will also run it now. Okay, so this one is my backup 001. Okay, target on-prem's backup. Our on-prem backup, you can also check here in drive here. You see now it's coming backup 001. Now it's configured. You go. Okay. Now it is calculating. The status is pending. So it is the same thing everyone. If you want to backup through the network, you also like change the location from on-prem to network. This one is the testing one. Okay. It's configured. Okay, you see success. So I could go to check together here. A1 backup 001 is successful. Now I will add another backup. Right click, backup, file share. But this time I will choose network drive. Next, this one cannot load. We need to add. Okay, I will also back up the file server. Msolved Tech. Okay. Next, this one I have to choose NAS backup. Okay, I will back up to my NAS. Next, next. Okay, now I put this one where, for example, my recommend. Okay, apply, run. Okay, before I run, I will go to my NAS. Okay, my NAS IP address. IP administrator. And then I put what file backup like. Okay, here is file backup. I will map it to check with everyone. Okay, in drive by. Okay, now in drive by here, my backup. File backup here, it doesn't have like when I click finish. Okay, so the job is running. And then I will go to my NAS. Okay, you see my NAS now it's coming backup 002. But it's not yet finished. It's still calculating. It checks like the network is work fine or not, the destination or the target location. It has enough space for store the backup file folder or not. Okay. Okay, you see target, the first 001 on prime and NAS backup is on through network. So it's pending. Okay. So everyone, for today's lesson is that's all. If you have any question, you can tell me, okay, or you can comment in the below video. Okay, you see the 002, it's almost done. Okay, okay, so it's almost complete. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.